Orthopedic surgeons dream of mastering arthroscopy, yet most never get the real hands-on exposure they need. I know the reality years are spent observing, assisting, and standing beside senior surgeons, but still not feeling confident enough to lead a full ACL reconstruction independently. It's not because you lack knowledge or talent, it's because you were never given true surgical access. I created my arthroscopy and sports medicine fellowship to change that. I want the OT to become your classroom with instruments in your hand, me beside you as your mentor, and every step supported with precision. In this fellowship, you will train directly with me in advanced knee arthroscopy, ACL reconstruction using my QuadPro quadriceps tendon, graft with internal brace technique, meniscus and root repair, shoulder instability, and rotator cuff repair. This is not a passive observation-based experience. You will actively assist and perform surgeries, learning every detail from portal placement, graft preparation, and tunnel drilling to fixation and post-operative rehab decision making. As an Arthrex master instructor and international faculty, my goal is to shape surgeons who don't just follow procedures but confidently lead them. You will graduate with real OT confidence, international level surgical skills, a deeper understanding of athlete management, and a clear career direction. I am offering transformation, not just certification. To apply, WhatsApp. Seats are limited as I select fellows based strictly on CV and interview. If you are committed to mastering arthroscopy and taking control of your surgical journey, this is where it begins. Apply now.